Now today's our next question is the conservation of angular momentum. Okay, first of all, what is the symbol for angular momentum? The angular momentum having the symbol L. Okay, as well as the linear momentum. Linear म्हणजे सरळ असणारा की ज्याचा symbol आहे that is nothing but the P. L for the angular momentum which makes here the circular rotation form, and this is the linear momentum. The question should be asked, the state and explain the principle of conservation of angular momentum. Conservation करणे म्हणजे जतन केलेला असं आपण म्हणतो. यूज द सुटेबल इन्फॉर्मेशन and what are the uses in daily life. Okay, now this is one of the important question related to the examination. Now first thing, angular momentum, we have to study here the formula for the angular momentum become, this is nothing but the L bar is equal to R bar cross P bar. Okay, now R is what? R is nothing but the position vector. If we consider this is nothing but the circle and this is nothing but the central point, if we consider, first of all this is nothing but the R for the radius vector. P is the which momentum? Linear momentum, सरळ असणारा. This is nothing but the linear momentum. Whenever it makes the rotation, it becomes here the angular momentum. That L is the product of R bar cross P bar. For here the differentiation rule according to these one, आपल्याला हा रूल प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे फॉर्म्युला. याच्यासाठी आपण डिफरन्शिएट करून घेऊ. First of all, differentiating here, the first term constant, differentiation of second term, okay, second term constant and differentiation of the first term. Okay, now this is nothing but what? dp upon dt, rate of change of momentum with respect to time according to the Newton's second law, which is equal to force. तो काय आहे? फोर्स आहे. dp अपॉन dt म्हणजे काय? दिस इज नथिंग बट द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ लिनियर मोमेंटम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम विच इज इक्वल टू applied force. Okay, means force is directly proportional to the momentum. As force increases, momentum increases. As force zero, momentum become zero. Okay, now after that one, dr upon dt, r is nothing but the position vector from axis of rotation. As position changes with respect to time, means what? This is nothing but the position, means this is a displacement with respect to time. This is what here? Velocity. Okay, hence putting all these term in this equation, we have to put this value dl upon dt. R bar remain as it is. dp upon dt ला आपण replace करू f bar ने. After that one, this is nothing but dr upon dt, पण तो कोण आहे? v आहे. आणि p म्हणजे कोण असतो? p इज इक्वल टू m इंटू v, मास इंटू वेलॉसिटी. ओके, मग आपण काय करतोय? p ची व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवतोय सध्या. जर आपण ही व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवतोय तर m काय निघणार आहे? कॉमन निघेल किंवा साईडला निघेल. v बार क्रॉस v बार. आता समजा जर दोन सेम क्वांटिटीचा व्हेक्टर फॉर्मचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट जर घेतला तर तो काय येतो? 0 येतो. येते लक्षात? म्हणजे इथे काय असणार आहे? that becomes dl upon dt which is equal to r bar cross f bar. कारण ही पूर्ण टर्मच काय झाली? 0. 0 multiply by m, that become 0. Okay, after that one we have to study in next video.